Let's face it, AI agents are a bit like interns who work 24/7, never ask for a coffee break, and are surprisingly good at chess. But how do you know if they're actually performing? I mean, would you promote an AI intern to CEO without checking their track record? Exactly. Today, we're diving into how to track AI agent performance with the right KPIs, because metrics matter, folks. Why bother tracking AI performance at all? Can't we just trust that the technology works because, well, it's technology? Spoiler alert, that's a dangerous assumption. AI systems are only as good as their design, training data, and ongoing performance monitoring. If you don't track how your AI is performing, you won't know if it's improving your processes or quietly sabotaging them. Imagine you're coaching a sports team but never look at their stats. You don't check how many goals they've scored, their fitness levels, or even whether they showed up to practice. You wouldn't be able to strategize, improve, or even know if your team is winning. AI performance tracking is the same idea. It's about knowing whether your system is meeting its goals and how to make it better. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are the lifeblood of effective AI performance tracking. They're measurable values that show whether your AI system is achieving its objectives. Without KPIs, you're essentially flying blind. Imagine launching a chatbot for customer service and claiming it's a success simply because it's answering questions. That's not enough. KPIs like response time, accuracy, and customer satisfaction give you the data you need to understand whether your AI is actually helping users or just driving them crazy. But not all KPIs are created equal. Choosing the right KPIs depends on your AI system's purpose. A fraud detection algorithm will need different KPIs than a recommendation engine, and a virtual assistant will prioritize metrics unlike an image recognition tool. That's why it's critical to align your KPIs with your specific goals. Let's break down the most important KPIs for tracking AI performance, one by one. First up, accuracy. Accuracy is the backbone of AI performance metrics. It measures how often your AI system produces correct results. For example, let's say you're running an AI tool to detect spam emails. If it's 95% accurate, it correctly identifies spam emails 95 out of 100 times. That sounds good, until you realize it's also misclassifying important work emails as spam. Here's where things get interesting. Accuracy alone isn't always enough. That's why additional metrics like precision and recall are often used alongside accuracy to provide a more nuanced view. Precision focuses on how many of your AI's positive predictions are correct. Recall measures how many actual positives your AI successfully identifies. These metrics are especially important in high-stakes industries like healthcare or cybersecurity. For example, an AI system detecting credit card fraud needs high precision to avoid flagging legitimate transactions, and high recall to catch as much fraud as possible. Next, we've got latency. Latency measures how quickly your AI system delivers results. In today's fast-paced digital world, speed is everything. Imagine an AI recommendation engine on an e-commerce site. If it takes 5 seconds to suggest products, most users will leave before they even see the recommendations. Latency directly impacts user experience and satisfaction, making it a critical KPI for customer-facing applications. Another important metric is the error rate.
Nobody likes mistakes, and AI systems are no exception. Error rate tracks how often your AI produces incorrect results. For example, an AI transcription tool with a high error rate might misinterpret Great Dane as Great Drain. Hilarious? Maybe. Useful? Not so much. Lowering error rates is crucial for maintaining reliability and trust in your AI systems. Then there's user satisfaction. AI doesn't just serve businesses, it serves people. User satisfaction is a key KPI that measures how well your AI system meets user needs. You can track this through surveys, feedback forms, or sentiment analysis of user interactions. For example, a chatbot might have a low error rate, but still frustrate users if its responses feel robotic or unhelpful. Balancing technical performance with user experience is essential. Finally, let's talk scalability. Scalability measures your AI system's ability to handle increasing workloads without breaking down. For example, a fraud detection system for a bank needs to process thousands of transactions per second during peak hours. If it can't scale effectively, it could lead to missed fraud cases, or worse, false positives that disrupt legitimate transactions. Let's look at how KPIs are used in real-world AI applications to improve performance and achieve specific goals. A customer support chatbot might track average response time, resolution rate, and sentiment score. For instance, a travel company uses a chatbot to handle booking inquiries. By monitoring these KPIs, they reduced average response times by 30% and improved customer satisfaction scores. In fraud detection, banks and financial institutions often monitor detection accuracy and false positive rates. For example, a bank reduced false positives by implementing additional precision recall metrics, improving customer trust and operational efficiency.
In recommendation engines, KPIs like click-through rate and retention rate are crucial. For example, a streaming platform like Netflix monitors these KPIs to optimize its recommendation algorithm, resulting in increased watch times and user retention. Tracking AI performance isn't just about picking the right KPIs, it's also about creating a system that makes tracking efficient and actionable. First, define clear goals. What is your AI system supposed to achieve? Whether it's answering customer queries, detecting fraud, or recommending products, your goals will shape your KPIs. Next, choose relevant KPIs. Not every KPI is relevant to every AI application. Focus on metrics that align with your goals. Then set up dashboards. A good dashboard is your command center. It should display all your KPIs in an easy-to-read format, with visualizations like graphs and heat maps for quick analysis. Automate data collection using tools like Google Analytics, AWS CloudWatch, or custom scripts. And don't forget to review and iterate. KPIs aren't static. Regularly review your metrics to ensure they remain aligned with your evolving goals and AI capabilities. If you're ready to go beyond the basics, here are some advanced strategies for optimizing your AI's performance. Benchmarking lets you compare your AI's performance against industry standards to identify strengths and weaknesses. Predictive analytics uses historical KPI data to forecast future performance and identify trends. A/B testing helps you experiment with different AI models or configurations to determine which delivers the best results. Real-time monitoring sets up alerts for when KPIs fall below acceptable thresholds, allowing you to address issues immediately. Even the best-laid plans can go awry. Here are some common pitfalls to watch out for. First, don't track too many KPIs. Overloading your system with metrics can dilute your focus. Stick to a manageable number of KPIs that directly impact your goals. Second, don't ignore user feedback. Metrics like accuracy and error rate are important, but they don't tell the whole story. User feedback provides invaluable context for understanding how your AI is performing in the real world. And third, account for bias. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to skewed results. Regularly audit your system to ensure fairness and inclusivity. AI technology is evolving rapidly, and so are the methods for tracking its performance. Emerging trends like explainable AI and ethical AI frameworks are introducing new dimensions to KPI tracking. Explainable AI introduces metrics that measure the interpretability of AI decisions, helping businesses understand how their systems reach conclusions. Ethical AI focuses on fairness, bias, and inclusivity, ensuring AI systems align with broader societal values. Tracking AI performance with the right KPIs is not just a technical necessity, it's a strategic advantage. Whether you're running a chatbot, fraud detection system, or recommendation engine, KPIs provide the insights you need to optimize, adapt, and succeed. AI is only as good as its performance, and performance is only as good as the metrics you track. By focusing on accuracy, latency, user satisfaction, and other key KPIs, you can ensure your AI delivers real value. The next step? Download LogMeOnce and protect your passwords and passkeys, because tracking your AI is great, but securing it is even better. Until next time, keep those KPIs high and those error rates low. See ya!